Sold. 1992 Cadillac. $400. As is. Better than... bringing it to the scrap yard. Better than bringing it to the scrap yard. They wouldn't give me that much for it. So this guy's going to strip it and take all the parts off of it. The motor, the Cadillac converters, and all the good stuff. And he'll make his money back. But if I brought it to the scrap yard, they're going to give me 7 cents a pound. 9 cents a pound if it has the Cadillac converters on it. I'm like, wow, that's just not enough. So this place is called Cadillacs Only, and he doesn't have anything here except the Cadillac parts, and that is it. Let's see, I want to watch him picking this thing up. Big ass forks without damaging it. Yeah. Gotta move them forks in. It's his now, so I don't care what he does to it. What's he trying to do? He's got to, hey, forks are too wide. All right, he went back and got another one. Fork's not so wide. So he doesn't want to damage his car. And I don't have any way of getting it off of there. It's the back wheels are locked up. Help him guide it in there. See, he has to go above my things and below the side. Without hitting my thing there. Does that thing tilt? Yeah, tilt it up. Come no more. Come on in. Come on in. No, you're too high. Hope it don't fall. Awesome. Look at that. What a beast. That's one way to get it. Got her now. That thing just idling. Sweet. $400. And I already scrapped the other one. I brought the truck and I sold it to a guy for $100. As it was, it didn't have anything, Cadillac converters or anything, so that's 2 vehicles in one day. 2. Hey, Paul, say hi to all your YouTube friends.
Yo, what up?
Paul doesn't get to be with me every day, so everybody's been saying hello and talking about you.
I'm here.
He's here with us today. I went and got him. I had to get him out of bed.
Yeah, I ain't getting out of bed. I was sleeping.
Oh, that's funny. All right, brother. Oh, I wonder if they want that bumper. Want that bumper? Put it over there.
Set it on a trunk lid.
There you go. Awesome. Cadillacs only. That's all he deals with. Oh yeah, Cadillac parking only. Others will be crushed. Talk about some Cadillac hubcaps. Holy smoke. Look at that. All Cadillac. Ain't no Chevy in there. No Fords. No Toyotas. Cadillac only. That is a lot of hubcaps that look identically the same. And stainless steel, so it's not rusting, I guess. That's why he's got them out here. Cadillacs only. Is this Bolivia, Leland? What is this?
Mako.
Mako. Navajo County,
Where Mako lights at.
North Carolina. Cadillacs only. Wonder if they use that in a race. Derby car race. Looks like old derby car. Look at all these old pedal car junkyard. Yeah. Check this out. Oh, look at this picture. Did you look at the picture behind it?
No, behind Bill?
Yeah.
No, I didn't see that.
It's all them pedal cars again,
Oh, yeah?
except they're in a pile.
No, that's a different one.
Big-
Was this made out to you, to a company? What do you want?
That